This is my new Samsung Galaxy Tab S 10.5 inch tablet. T800. I know I heard that before somewhere. Here's what it comes with inside of the box. Quick start menu, the charger with the USB into a mini USB cable. So here it is out of the package. It is the lightest tablet there is, and it's only 5 credit cards thick. It has round edges with a cool copper finish. It has a micro SD slot with a mini or micro USB cable. It also fits regular headphone jacks into it. The front and rear cameras are 8 megapixels and 2.1 megapixels with a LED flash, and it stays in place like if you're Spider-Man. So this has 32 gigabytes of storage, and it uses the Android KITKAT version. And to log on, you can either select alternative password or your fingerprint. Independence Hall, Philadelphia. I also got this Logitech wireless keyboard. It is magnetic there, and when you close it,